Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 10 latest defense updates. Number 1, development of India's SLUAS SLUAS, that is submarine launched unmanned aerial system, set to commence in late 2023. India's defense sector giant Larsen & Toubro, in collaboration with Bengaluru-based startup New Space Research and Technologies, is gearing up to commence developmental trials for the submarine-launched unmanned aerial system, that is SLUAS, by late 2023. The SLUAS project is a response to the Indian Navy's call for the development of an innovative underwater launched drone system. Next, Indian Army supports procurement and local manufacturing of Stryker armed vehicle. As part of its interim armed vehicle IAV program, Indian Army has expressed its endorsement for the purchase and local manufacturing of Stryker armed vehicles offered by the United States of America. The Army is seeking a versatile armored vehicle that can fulfill various roles, including troop transportation, reconnaissance, combat support, and enhanced mobility. Next, IAF supports development of jet-powered UAV for high-altitude ISR. Indian Air Force has expressed its endorsement for the proposal put forward by state-owned Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and private sector companies to develop a jet-powered unmanned aerial vehicle specially designed for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, that is ISR missions in high-altitude regions. Next, Biden PM Modi welcomed India's plan to procure MQ-9 Reaper Predator drones. US President Joe Biden and Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday welcomed India's plan to procure Predator drones made by General Atomics, a mega pact that will allow American Navy ships to undertake major repairs at Indian shipyard. Next, Battle of Billionaires. Elon Musk, Starlink eyes India. Ambani resists. Elon Musk is eager to bring his Starlink satellite broadband to India, but the world's richest man faces strong resistance from Mukesh Ambani, Asia's wealthiest, who run Indian telecom giant Reliance Jio. Following a meeting with Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the US on Tuesday, Musk said he was keen to launch Starlink in India, which can be credibly helpful in remote villages that have no internet or lack high-speed services. Next, India raises human rights hate crimes issues in US. India has raised its concern about human rights and religiously motivated hate crimes in the United States, a senior Biden administration official said on Wednesday, asserting that it's vital for America's national security that the US engages a rising India. Next, first abort mission of Gaganyaan to be conducted in August end, says ISRO chairman. The first abort mission for India's maiden human spaceflight Gaganyaan would be conducted at the end of August this year, while the unmanned mission to orbit would take place next year, chairman of the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO, S. Somnath, said here on Thursday. Next, why GE plan to make fighter jet engines in India is a big deal. The aerospace unit of GE on Thursday announced it had signed an agreement with India's state-owned Hindustan Aeronautics to jointly make engines in India to power fighter jets for the Indian Air Force. The announcement was timed to coincide with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's landmark visit to the United States this week. The deal, called historic and trail blazing by officials. Next, India-US plan to send Indian Astronaut to ISS, that is International Space Station, in 2024, says Biden. India and the US are collaborating to send an Indian astronaut to the International Space Station in 2024, US President Joe Biden said here on Thursday after a meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Next, voter cards provided to Kashmiri migrants at doorsteps. The Jammu and Kashmir government has said that the relief organization is providing epics to the Kashmiri migrant voters in Jammu who filled their voter forms during the special summary revision held in September 2022. Before this, the EPICs, after final printing, were placed at the disposal of local BLOs of Kashmir Valley for further distribution. Thank you.